True technology doesn't ask users to change for it. It adapts to the user. Designing inclusive technology means understanding the unique operational challenges presented by different disabilities and engineering specific, tailored solutions to bypass them. Let's explore how we achieve this across three major categories. First, we address visual impairments, which encompass conditions like total blindness, low vision, and color blindness. To make content perceivable for these users, we employ three key solutions. 1. Screen readers like JAWS or NVDA. By combining semantic HTML and area roles, these tools convert text and code structures into spoken words or braille outputs. 2. High contrast modes, which swap palette backgrounds and foreground tones to dramatically enhance readability for low vision users. 3. Zoom functions, built directly into modern web browsers to allow users to scale graphics and fonts quickly without breaking the layout. Next up are hearing impairments, ranging from partial hearing loss to complete deafness. Because these users cannot rely on standard sound cues or speech audio tracks, we deliver information using alternative visual layouts. First, closed captions translate spoken voice tracks, sound effects, and musical mood shifts directly onto the screen in real time. Second, comprehensive transcripts give users static, text-based logs of full audio tracks to read at their own pace. And third, sign language interpretation feeds picture-in-picture video windows alongside media players or live broadcasts, making digital content instantly translatable into native sign communication frameworks. Finally, we have motor impairments. These impact an individual's fine motor control, often rendering standard hardware peripherals like standard physical mice or mechanical keyboards difficult or impossible to use. To resolve this, developers integrate alternative access pathways. 1. Voice recognition software like Dragon Naturally Speaking, allowing hands-free device control and voice dictation. 2. Alternative input devices, including eye-tracking camera arrays, adaptive mice, and customized macro switches. 3. On-screen virtual keyboards, which map full-text key inputs straight onto digital touchscreens, allowing seamless control via basic pointers or touch gestures. When we understand the precise requirements of human variation, we can leverage assistive tools to build a web space with equal access for all. Which of these design adaptations do you incorporate into your projects? Let me know in the comments below. Smash that like button and subscribe to keep building inclusive tech.